Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Major Committees of the Constituent Assembly. Major Committees of the Constituent Assembly. Need for the committees. The task of constitution making was extremely extensive. Therefore, the Constituent Assembly constituted several committees to study different subjects and make recommendations. These committees considered matters relating to the federal structure, powers of the Union, provincial government, fundamental rights, minorities, tribal areas, constitutional drafting, procedure and administration. The reports and recommendations of these committees provided the basis for framing various provisions of the Constitution. The committees can broadly be understood as major committees, subcommittees and other procedural committees. Drafting Committee. The Drafting Committee was constituted on 29 August 1947. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the Drafting Committee. The committee originally consisted of 7 members. N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar was a member. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer was a member. K. M. Munshi was a member. Syed Muhammad Sadullah was a member. B. L. Mitter was a member. D. P. Khaitan was a member. B. L. Mitter resigned on grounds of ill health and was replaced by N. Madhava Rao. After the death of D. P. Khaitan, T. T. Krishnamachari was appointed as a member. The principal function of the Drafting Committee was to give legal form to the draft constitution on the basis of reports of various committees and material prepared by the constitutional advisor. The preliminary draft prepared with the assistance of constitutional advisor B. N. Rao formed an important basis for the work of the Drafting Committee. The draft constitution prepared by the Drafting Committee was published in February 1948. Suggestions received from the public and various groups were considered before preparing a revised draft. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar introduced the draft constitution before the Constituent Assembly on 4 November 1948. Union Powers Committee. Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of the Union Powers Committee. Its main function was to consider the distribution of powers between the Union and the provinces. The committee made important recommendations concerning the powers of the central government and the nature of the federal system. It played an important role in the development of a federal structure with a strong center. Its recommendations were important in determining the legislative and administrative powers of the Union. Union Constitution Committee. Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee. The committee considered the basic constitutional structure of the Union. It examined matters relating to the structure of the central executive and central legislature. It played an important role in determining the institutional framework of government at the Union level. Provincial Constitution Committee. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee. The committee considered the constitutional and administrative structure of the provinces. The provincial executive and provincial legislature were among its major areas of consideration. Its recommendations contributed significantly to the development of the parliamentary system of government at the provincial level. Advisory Committee. The full name of this committee was the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities and Tribal and Excluded Areas. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was its chairman. The committee considered matters relating to citizens' rights, protection of minorities and administration of tribal areas. Several important subcommittees were constituted under it. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. J. B. Kripalani was the chairman of the Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. The subcommittee considered the nature and scope of fundamental rights to be guaranteed to citizens. It played an important role in developing constitutional provisions relating to civil liberties, equality and other fundamental rights. Minorities Subcommittee. H. C. Mukherjee was the chairman of the Minorities Subcommittee. Its function was to consider constitutional safeguards for religious and other minorities. It examined questions concerning minority rights, representation and protection. North-East Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Subcommittee. Gopinath Bordoloi was the chairman of this subcommittee. It considered the administrative arrangements for the north-east frontier tribal areas and the excluded and partially excluded areas of Assam. Its recommendations were important in the development of special constitutional arrangements for tribal areas in the northeast. Excluded and partially excluded areas other than Assam Subcommittee. A.V. Thakur was the chairman of the subcommittee. It considered the constitutional and administrative arrangements for excluded and partially excluded areas outside Assam. The protection of tribal communities and their administrative interests formed an important part of its work. Rules of Procedure Committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the Rules of Procedure Committee. Its function was to formulate rules and procedures for conducting the business of the Constituent Assembly. It helped ensure the systematic conduct of motions, debates and other proceedings of the Assembly. Steering Committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the Steering Committee. The committee coordinated the functioning and meetings of the Constituent Assembly. It assisted in organizing the agenda and proceedings relating to constitution making. Finance and Staff Committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the Finance and Staff Committee. The committee supervised financial and staff-related matters of the Constituent Assembly. Administrative expenditure and arrangements concerning the staff of the Assembly came within its scope. Credentials Committee. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer was the chairman of the Credentials Committee. The committee examined matters relating to the credentials and eligibility of members of the Constituent Assembly. House Committee. V. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah was the chairman of the House Committee. The committee dealt with accommodation and other facilities for members of the Constituent Assembly. Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly. G. V. Mavalinkar was the chairman of this committee. The committee considered matters relating to the functions and working of the Constituent Assembly. Its importance increased after independence when the Constituent Assembly performed both constitution-making and legislative functions. States Committee. Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of the States Committee. The committee dealt with negotiations with the princely states regarding their participation in the Constituent Assembly and their position in the future constitutional system. It played an important role in associating the princely states with the constitution-making process. Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag. The committee considered matters relating to the national flag of independent India. The Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag on 22 July 1947. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. S. Varadachari was the chairman of the Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. The committee considered matters relating to the structure and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of Independent India. Its deliberations contributed to the development of the constitutional framework for an independent apex judiciary. Chief Commissioners Provinces Committee. B. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah was the chairman of the Chief Commissioners Provinces Committee. The committee considered the future constitutional and administrative arrangements for the Chief Commissioners Provinces. Committees and Constitutional Provisions. The Advisory Committee and Fundamental Rights Subcommittee played important roles in the development of fundamental rights. The Advisory Committee and Minorities Subcommittee considered constitutional questions relating to minorities. The Bordoloi and Thakur subcommittees contributed to the development of arrangements relating to tribal and special areas. The Union Powers Committee played an important role in determining the distribution of powers between the Union and the constituent units. The Union Constitution Committee contributed to the development of the constitutional structure of the central government. The Provincial Constitution Committee contributed to the development of the constitutional framework of provincial government. The Drafting Committee gave systematic legal form to the recommendations of different committees and decisions of the Constituent Assembly. Difference between the Drafting Committee and B. N. Rao. B. N. Rao was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly. B. N. Rao was not a member of the Drafting Committee. He studied various constitutional systems and played an important role in preparing the preliminary constitutional draft. The Drafting Committee worked on the preliminary material, reports of various committees and decisions of the Constituent Assembly to prepare the draft constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. This distinction is particularly important for examination purposes. Most important committees and chairman. Drafting Committee was chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Union Powers Committee was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Union Constitution Committee was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Provincial Constitution Committee was chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Advisory Committee was chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee was chaired by J.B. Kripalani. Minorities Subcommittee was chaired by H.C. Mukherjee. North-East Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Subcommittee was chaired by Gopinath Bordoloi. Excluded and partially excluded areas other than Assam Subcommittee was chaired by A.V. Thakkar. Rules of Procedure Committee was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Steering Committee was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Finance and Staff Committee was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly was chaired by G.V. Mavalinkar. States Committee was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court was chaired by S. Varadachari. Chief Commissioners Provinces Committee was chaired by B. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.